Well, now, looks like someone got all the animals out the cages at the same time. This could get chaotic. Say, looking for the lower level, huh? All this time and you never figured it out. The only way to go is up. Wait, let me show you this trick I just learned. You're gonna dig it. You would have dug it. The thrill and exhilaration as understanding begins to unfold, even in this little amount. It's as if all the little pieces of puzzle you compiled long ago suddenly start snapping together, fitting within the border. See it becoming one large picture, so you feel like you can almost see. Oh, the essential element missing from the lives of many. Pure joy. And if this rarest and most rewarding of these components to yet encounter enlightenment still out there waiting for you, lurking in our minds, increasingly aware shadows. Something else. Some may even find it sinister. Imagine the enlightenment of those who've continued passing through these levels, knowing that out there in the expanses, there is somewhere what we call an equal and opposite reaction, that which the yin and the yang symbolizes. This burdensome knowledge, well, you're simply not ready. Relax, don't do it when you want to suck to it. Relax, don't do it when you want to come. Relax, don't do it when you want to suck to it. Relax, when you want to come. Some things can be heard but never be seen. You gotta be clean before you can keep clean. If you run with my crowd, if you're down at my scene, then you know what I mean. Avert your eyes as you clutch those pills. At the mere sight, send your brain into whirls. Obscenities fly, moans of ecstasy cry. If it's not familiar, then you're my kind of guy. Is there an elixir or some magical potion? Perhaps you're applying some enhancing lotion. Keep it between us if you know what I mean. 'Cause someone bound to tell you that you gotta keep clean. You gotta be clean before you can keep clean. You gotta be clean before you can keep clean. You gotta be clean before you can keep clean. You gotta be clean before you can keep clean. You gotta be clean before you can keep clean. Who wanna be clean? Clean is just a state of mind, mind stays dirty. Clean is just a state, stays dirty. Clean is just a state of mind, mind stays dirty. Clean is just a state of mind, mind stays dirty. Clean is just a state of mind, mind stays dirty. Clean is just a state of mind, mind stays dirty. Clean is just a state of mind, mind stays dirty. Clean is just a state of mind, mind stays dirty. Clean is just a state of mind, mind stays dirty.